Hi dear all students. In today's video we'll start our new lesson, that is lesson number 5, food safety. See student, for a growth of body we depend on food material which we are taking for our digestion. Lot of times we are taking some material as it is raw inside our body. Some we cook, some we make process and then take inside the body. Lot of varieties we are taking in our body as a diet. So which food we take from market, purchase from market, or maybe if we are farmer, lot of things are available surrounding to us. We take that things for our day-to-day need. But it's very important to take care about these things. Otherwise, these things, if not take proper way care for till it reach to us while coming from the production area, either it is cook material or raw material, शेतातून आलेलं धान्य असेल, भाजीपाला असेल, फळे असतील किंवा दुकानांमध्ये विकली जाणारी कुक करून प्रोसेस करून विकलेली अन्नपदार्थ असो, ते कसे पाहिजे स्टुडंट? दॅट शुड बी सेफ, hygienically it should be clear, healthy for our body. Otherwise, instead of giving proper growth and blood circulation and energy to our body, they may give harm to our body. Food poisoning, you may listen a lot of times the word student, so it's need to prevent that material. So lot of times food get spoiled. So we see here factors responsible for food spoilage. Some fruits or their skin turn black. Some foodstuff give out a foul or bad odor. Such foodstuff are not suitable for us to eat. अन्नपदार्थ जेव्हा खराब होतात स्टुडंट, ते खराब दिसायला लागतात. त्यांचं आउटर कोटिंग बदलतं किंवा आतमध्ये त्यांचा स्मेल बदलतो, खराब वास यायला लागतो आणि मग आपल्याला समजतं की हे फळं, हे काय खाद्यपदार्थ असेल हे खराब झालेलं आहे. आणि लहान मुलांना शक्यतो कळत नाही ते खराब झाले, पण चव त्यांना समजते. पण मोठी माणसं ते ओळखू शकतात की हे अन्न खराब आहे, हे खाल्लं नाही पाहिजे, नाही तर हार्म होतो बॉडीला. सो वी शुड गिव्ह अटेन्शन हाऊ द फूड स्टफ गेट स्पॉईल. Sometimes naturally available food material are spoiled by wrong handling as when they are overcooked or improperly stored. Say in a damp place. जर का आपण अति दमट ठिकाणी अन्नपदार्थ स्टोअर करून ठेवले, व्यवस्थित ठेवले नाही, ते ओव्हरकुक केले, 2-3 दिवस शिळे ठेवले, तर नक्कीच ते खराब होतात. In such cases, the quality of food material deteriorates. Sorry students. They may also be spoiled during transportation. Can you give more such examples of food spoilage? So some students, some time students, you can smell the food material that lot of times gets spoiled. That odor is very bad, and that can be happen because of storage problem, that may be not store properly. So the food material not remain in proper way, and transport system also should be proper. Roads are not proper, storage of that food while transport may be not proper, so lot of food fruit get damaged and they also not proper for our digestion. So lot of ways, wrong handling, so these all are the causes of food damage. The foodstuff we consume, whether of animal or plant source, must be of the best quality. Otherwise, we may fall prey to disease or illness. Food is said to be spoiled if there is a change in its odor, color, texture, quality, taste, and there is a loss of its nutrient content. खराब अन्न, खराब फळं जर खाल्ली आपण, तर त्या फूड स्टफ, त्या अन्नपदार्थांमध्ये आपल्याला ह्या गोष्टी जाणवतात बदल झालेल्या. मग कलर असेल, ओडर असेल, टेक्स्चर असेल, क्वालिटी, टेस्ट हे सगळं बदलतं आणि हे बदलल्यामुळे न्यूट्रिएंट कंटेंट ऑल्सो लॉस. त्याच्यामुळे प्रॉपर आपल्याला कार्बोहायड्रेट, प्रोटीन नॉट get from this such food stuff, so it's avoid such type of food to take in your body. Lot of times homemade food in this corona situation, lot of hotels are closed now. I'm not pointing out any hotels students here, if you are businessmen in that field, but generally in hotel lot of food stuff are preserved in fridge or deep fridge, drip freezer section, so that can remain for a longer duration, at least for 4 to 5 days also, and we feel it's very fresh, tasty food by hotel. Maybe some hotels may be providing, but lot of times it preserve. And at home level also, lot of lot of family members have habit to preserve raw material or more amount of food stuff in fridge for 2 days. It's not a good way, student. The food which you are taking inside your stomach, that should be fresh as possible as. So those are businessmen of food material, they should take care of these things. If you are selling these products to customers, that should not get spoiled, so preserve how much required. On a day out with our friends or family, we enjoy mouth-watering dishes like pani puri, shev puri, pav bhaji, vada pav, pizza, burger. Oh, after long time we are listening this list and maybe panic due to corona. These all things we are not getting generally now, but homemade things we are eating. But student, lot of times we are taking this food material. But have you ever green thought that to how or where they were made, where they display and serve hygienically? पण तुम्ही कधी विचार केलाय का ते आपल्याला पुरवणारे लोक ते कसं पुरवत असतील? तिथे स्वच्छता असेल का त्यांच्या घरामध्ये? ते वेळेवर हात धुत असतील का? Discuss all these matters with your science teacher. So discuss with me, student. You may say pani puri is more tasty. Homemade pani puri is not tasty. The like that bhaiya. Yes, it's tasty and more hygienically proved because your mother, or family member taking more care than obviously than that of the man. But we feel that is only delicious and tasty. Yeah. Please avoid if such. Ready-made available food outside surrounding, check with the hygiene, cleanliness, and fruit purchasing time also, take care. We discuss about this fruit in ahead video. Now as a today's homework, you please write down this color writing para as it is and write a short note about food stuff, how you understand that food stuff gets spoiled, how you understand, write in your own language, write points. तुम्हाला कसं कळतं की हे खाण्याचे पदार्थ खराब झाले आहे, काय चेंजेस तुम्हाला दिसतात? यू कॅन एक्सप्लेन विथ द एक्झाम्पल ॲज अ शॉर्ट नोट. तुमचे पॉईंट्स तुमच्या लँग्वेजमध्ये व्यवस्थित लिहा. मेक सेंटेन्स अँड राईट डाऊन प्लीज ॲज अ होमवर्क. टिल नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ, टेक केअर स्टुडंट. हॅव अ नाईस डे. Thank you. Bye bye.